Say what you used to say to me. Take me into your arms where I should be, and make